Today, we're looking at 10 of the very best video transitions in 2020. This varied range of video transitions make it fast and easy to add a professional element to your video projects. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Hand-Drawn Transitions Pack by FlashFX Box. At number 10 today, we have this colorful, eye-catching animated video transition. With a variety of playful wave-like options to choose from, this fun transition pack would be fantastic for use in children's entertainment videos. Number 9. 140 4K Real Light Transitions by Rouge Trader. Next up, we have the perfect video transition pack to add a whimsical filmic look to your work. Created from real optical light elements with a variety of lengths and styles to choose from, and easily composited into any video editing software of your choice, these light leaks, flares, and bokeh give your transitions a unique, organic, and colorful look. Number 8. Film Transitions by Avid Editor. At number 8 today, these film transitions work hard to grab your audience's attention. With a variety of different film leader scans and audio to choose from, these transitions can be used to take your footage back in time, giving it a nostalgic, grungy feel. Number 7. Grunge Glitch Transitions by TimMG. At number 7 today, this punchy pack of 4K Ultra HD video transitions and effects has a variety of striking glitches and fast-moving analog grain and imagery. It is perfectly suited to transition between high-energy video content and can be easily edited in your software of choice. Number 6. Camera Transitions by Agunga Gang. Next up, we have a camera interface transition pack that's perfect for technology, photography, or travel-based slideshows. With 12 transition and sound effects to choose from, simply drag and drop your lens graphic of choice into your video project. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. The Ultimate Transitions Pack, Final Cut Pro X, and Apple Motion by Digital Products 669. Do you want to be able to easily transition any style of footage? Then this pack of over 200 super easy to use transitions is just what you need. With over 21 categories of effects to choose from, this pack includes glitch effects, camera, smoke, perspective, and typography transitions, and will let you turn any project into a professional-looking masterpiece. Number 4. Dope Transitions for Premiere Pro by Candy Mustache. At number 4, we have this modern Premiere Pro transition pack. Easy to use, and with sound effects included for each transition, it's ready to give the professional boost you were looking for. Simply drag and drop. Number 3. TV Noise and Glitch Transitions by Martin Pro User. Perfect for corporate, demo reel, or cinematic footage, our next pack has 40 TV noise and glitch transitions to choose from, making your footage eye-catching and unique. Simply drag and drop in After Effects for a quick and seamless finish. Number 2. Dynamic Lifestyle Composer by Proskorovsky. With this next video transition pack, it's fast and easy to use one of the many pre-made dynamic video transitions, ranging from sleek title transitions to punchy camera and shutter transitions. Alternatively, thanks to the inbuilt modular structure and tutorials, you can also generate your own transition to perfectly suit your needs. Number 1. Modern Transition Pack 40 Items by Transmax. If you're looking to create a unique slideshow or video with inbuilt geometric transitions, then this is the pack for you. Easy to use and customize, these templates will allow you to quickly create colorful graphic effects that would be perfect for use in holiday or travel video slideshows. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best video transitions in 2020. Did any of those items really capture your imagination? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups, and check out the next video selected just for you.